Ever wondered how much Bitcoin you can actually buy on Beam Wallet? You're not alone. This platform offers a unique approach to cryptocurrency transactions, and figuring out your buying limits can be a bit tricky. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. First things first, Beam Wallet isn't your typical centralized exchange. It's built on the Beam blockchain, known for its focus on privacy and anonymity. This means traditional order books and limit orders aren't the game here. Instead, you're dealing with a decentralized exchange, DEX, with a more fluid system. So, how do you determine how much BTC you can buy? Liquidity. The key factor is liquidity. How much Bitcoin is currently available for trading within the Beam ecosystem? This fluctuates constantly, so there's no fixed answer. Trading pairs. Beam Wallet supports various trading pairs. You might be looking to buy BTC with Beam, or perhaps with another cryptocurrency listed on the platform. The available liquidity varies significantly between these pairs. Order matching. The exchange uses a sophisticated order matching algorithm. It constantly seeks the best available prices and matches buyers with sellers. This means the amount of BTC you can buy at a specific price will depend on the current order book and the activity of other traders. Here's a breakdown of how to get a good idea of your buying power. Check the order book. Most DEXs, including Beam Wallet, have an order book. This gives you a snapshot of current buy and sell orders. Look for the best available prices and the corresponding order sizes. Use a DEX Explorer. Many blockchains have dedicated explorers. These tools can provide valuable insights into on-chain activity, including trading volumes and liquidity levels for specific assets. Monitor trading charts. Pay attention to trading charts for the BTC/Beam or other relevant trading pairs. This can help you identify trends, volatility, and potential opportunities. Important considerations. Slippage. In a decentralized exchange, slippage can occur. This means you might not get the exact price you expect due to rapid price fluctuations and order book dynamics. Trading fees. Beam Wallet likely has trading fees. These fees can impact your overall profit and should be factored into your calculations. Network fees. Transactions on the Beam blockchain incur network fees. These fees can vary depending on network congestion. Finding the best deals. Utilize limit orders. If you're not in a hurry, consider placing limit orders. This allows you to specify the price you're willing to pay for BTC. If the market price reaches your limit, your order will be executed. Take advantage of price swings, monitor market trends, and capitalize on price dips to potentially buy BTC at a lower cost. Explore different trading strategies. Experiment with different trading strategies, such as market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders, to find what works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.